Welcome to GAN Bridge channel. Do you want to build a presentation like a blinking greeting effect? Let's start with creating the lights. We will use circles for this. Club some circles together and copy it to make the border faster. Make sure to put all these circles in equal distance so that your lights would look good. Once you have the first line ready, copy this and make a bottom line of the border. Now let's create vertical borders. Copy some circles, and then rotate it 90 degrees. You need to make all circles in a group before rotation so that you get a vertical line of circles. Remove unwanted parts if any. Make a copy of this vertical line to other side as well. Close the shape like a rectangle. Now we need to make this shape at the center of the slide. Make a group of all circles. And use Shape Align option to keep it in center and middle. Now the shape is ready to be designed like light bulbs. Ungroup all circles, remove border, and change the color to dim yellow. Select Shape Effect and give Bevel Effect. Adjust the bevel size to get the desired format of the bulb. This is the status of light when it's off. Now let's design the light bulbs when it will be on. To do that, select all bulbs and make another copy by grouping those. Align the second layer of light on top of first layer so that it covers the off bulb completely. Ungroup those and change the color. Select the light shape of yellow to show it switched on. Give some glow effect as well. Let's put some animation to start blinking. You need to go to More Emphasis Effect and under Exciting section, you'll get Blink Effect. To keep it continuously blinking, we need to have some adjustments. Use Animation pane and go to Last Shape and choose Effect option. Start this with Previos, set duration to very fast and repeat it until next click. So, light animation is ready now. To give lights more emphasis, let's change the background color as well. Format the background and choose a dark color. Now, it's time to add some text. I am putting Happy Holidays as example here. Give it a cursive font and increase the size. Adjust the text box to fit this size and border. Let's do something more with this. Let's change this text as shape. To do so, you need another shape with text. Add a rectangle, send it to back. Select both rectangle and text and use Merge Intersect option. Selecting Intersect will give a text as shape which you can rotate or resize. You can play with shape size and rotation now. Ensure that positioning of this text goes well with borders. Once you are satisfied with text, add Bevel Effect on text as well so that it matches with the theme. Your presentation is ready now. This is how your presentation looks now. Impactful. For more content, please like and subscribe GAN Bridge channel.